to do it a little bit more slowly without the music, right? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, your ground score. Then you're only going to come around to your front, but I'm doing an extra half turn so that you can see me. Then I'm doing these 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, and I think it's another 16 here, but I'm not sure what the actual count is. But then into this turn situation again. Now at this point, you can split the corkscrew, and then the next time that you go around on the turnaround, your arms are spread instead of together time. So this is the first time you're open with your arms. Then I'm doing these taps, and this is like, so for me, this is an old move that I love doing on fire because it's high bang for your buck. When I go into these taps, I'll usually do like some sort of like either massive turns like this, or turn in a squat, but you're really adding a stylization to it. And then I'm doing something slightly different. What you did there was this. What I'm doing is my arms are open and they're just circling. That's all they're doing. So it's even easier than what you were doing. Yes, but like this doesn't look as cool as like this, you know, where you're really adding your body into it. But this is the place if you're only wearing a t-shirt or if you're going topless, you want to make sure you aim lower so that you're hitting your jeans, because I'm still concerned about transfers here. And then when you exit out of this one, your open arms again, then you come to one of your side stages, whichever one makes more sense. And then this is where you're going to do these guys, these pendulums. And then from the pendulum, you turn in the pendulum on the next turnaround. Then this next one I think is shorter. You have less time, so it's not 16 counts. I think it's only 8. So I think you only have enough time to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and do it again. So you can either do that one there, right? So I went from this around the head pendulum pattern to turning, and if you want to turn to the right this time, turning this way into the long arm pendulum turnaround, or you can bump, 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 5, 6, 7, 8, just go flat like that, whatever works. This, 3, 5, 6, okay, and then bump, 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 bump. Okay, now this next one here, we come down and ground score. Then we're gonna go up and down in together time, and then we're gonna come around in the turnaround, together time. Then we split the corkscrew. So this is the split time corkscrew now. And then from the split time corkscrew, we go around open arm. Then we do, so that was 3. Then we tap, 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 tap. Then we go around again, open arms. Then we face the side. Dunt, dunt. Then we do the long arm pendulum turn. And then we cut this, and that was 5. I think that was the bright eyes. And then you have the shorter one where you do either the long arm turn like that, or you do this horizontal thing where you plane break. The one thing about the first one is when you're standing here after you're lit, the flame is going to be licking up the poi because you haven't spun out yet. So you might need to be doing this under your arms. Okay, and then you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on your right, then ground score. Then together time corkscrew. 2, and I think it's probably another 8 or something. And then together time turnaround. Then you're gonna split your corkscrew into a split time corkscrew. And then you're gonna come around in an open arm turn. Then you're gonna do your taps with movement. So you can even do like leg lifts if that's more comfortable, whatever. And then another open arm turn. Then you're gonna face the side, go into your long arm pendulum. and then your long arm pendulum turnaround. And then you're gonna come back to the front and do the around the head pendulums. And this is the one that's short. So I think you only have enough time to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this time maybe go the other way. So I think it takes less skill to do it this way, where you do it on the vertical plane. But if you're feeling confident doing this one, go for that one.